In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make custom gradients in Canva. Whether you're looking to enhance your graphics with a touch of color or create unique visuals for your project, mastering the art of gradients in Canva can provide a professional and polished look. So let's get started. First, if you haven't already, head over to Canva and log into your account. Once you've successfully logged in, the next thing you'll want to do is create your canvas. You can do this by clicking on Create a Design and selecting the size that best fits your needs. Now with your blank canvas ready, we'll start transforming it with some beautiful custom gradients. Next, locate the floating toolbar at the top of your canvas. This toolbar is your gateway to a plethora of design tools that Canva offers. Among these is the Color tool, which is crucial for creating gradients. Click on the Color tool to open up the Color panel. Here you'll be introduced to the default gradient colors, which can serve as a wonderful starting point for your design. Hover over the gradient options available here and choose a preset gradient that catches your eye. Now, to truly make this gradient your own, you'll want to customize it. Beneath the Document Colors section, you'll see an option to add a new color. Click on Add a New Color, and this will allow you to fine-tune the gradient exactly to your liking. You can select your preferred gradient style from a variety of options such as linear, radial, or angular gradients based on the effect you wish to achieve. After selecting a gradient style, it's time to personalize the colors. You can do this by selecting the gradient colors and picking the shades you want to use for your design. Start by clicking on the first color stop and selecting a color that matches your vision. This color will serve as one end of your gradient spectrum. Once you're satisfied with the first color, move on to the next color stop. In the same manner, choose another color to complete this gradient journey. You can tweak each color further until you find the perfect combination that adds harmony and depth to your design. And that's it. You've now created a custom gradient in Canva. Feel free to explore further and come up with new combinations and styles. Gradients can significantly uplift any design, whether it's a simple background or a critical focal point. Make sure to save your work and apply this knowledge in your future projects for more vibrant and dynamic designs. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it inspires you to create stunning visuals in Canva. Happy designing!